Welcome to a video by Acholi Pro Hivo TV. We're looking at the Acholi political demarcation. Here we go to Acholi of South Sudan in Magui County, and we're looking at Pajok, Payam. Pajok, P-A-J-O-K, also written as P-A-R-J-O-K. That's a variation. Some version is Parajok, P-A-R-A-J-O-K. Is a community in eastern Equatoria, a state of South Sudan. It is in the south part of Magui County, 39 kilometers or 24 miles south of Magui, near the border with Uganda. The main ethnic group in Pajok are the Acholi people, who live on both sides between the border of South Sudan and Uganda. In this region, divided by an arbitrary boundary defined by the colonial British government in 1926. The soil is volcanic in origin and rich in fertility. The town has a small gazetted forest of 23 hectares or 57 hectares. During the Second Sudanese Civil War of 1983-2005, the Sudan's People's Liberation Army or SPLA captured Pajok from the government. The SPLA was weakened by internal dissension, and Pajok was among the towns recaptured by the government in 1991 and 1994. However, by December 1995, the SPLA had regained the town. In 1995, Sudan and Uganda broke diplomatic relations. The next year, that is 1996, the government of South Sudan accused the government of Uganda of attacking their neighbor, that is Pajok community, and subsequently community. The civil war ended in January 2005 and reconstruction began. I think this is also well related to towards the end of the LRA war, which ended around 2067 also. But the Lord Resistance Army continued in and around activities around the area. Impoverished refugee camps around northern Uganda and South Sudan were affected, including Pajok. A report of September 2005 said that refugees were starting to return back home, with 1,000 out of 5,000 in Pajok targeted for assistance. Work was planned to reconstruct a primary health care unit in the town. In November 2008, UNICEF, with partnership with MEDER, handed over an emergency water treatment system to Pajok management. The system was built in response to a cholera outbreak. During the epidemic, the system was able to serve more than 2,000. A 2010 report noted that the lack of adequate roads in Pajok was a very serious problem. The report of 2008 indicates that the people of Pajok got a bumper sesame harvest, a lot of harvest sesame, that is same, locally known actually as Nyim. Jo Pajok gu uchiago Nyim to 2008, but they could not sell it due to the cost of transport market. Pero mati actually mean northern Uganda beti actually. As a result, they did not grow much sesame in the following year. In 2012, a border dispute known as Ngomoromo dispute, we are going to talk about it later, between South Sudan and Uganda escalated into a series of border clashes that happened again in the April of the year and August 2000. That should not be happening. Actually, following the biggest stupidity. People must settle down and have diplomatic. Don't let external forces to apply, divide and rule on you. Acholi of Uganda and Acholi of South Sudan never, as a high class nonsense beyond level, should sit down and once you know you are the wrong person, cease or leave. You can negotiate buying of land, whether in Uganda, so negotiate so that we stay in unity, and that is what is needed. Whoever rejects unity is paving way bad for the future of our children. Now let's look at the sub-clans of the people of Pajok. Pajok is made up of several sub-clans. The town is divided into Lacham and Lachuich. Lacham and Lachuich, literally meaning left and right. Pantu, Ayu, Biti, Pagaya, Kwajlanyoro, Bora, Pamuda, Lamogi, yes, Lamogi is also in Uganda, Paliech, Obualta, Panyagira, and Patoga. Those are on the Lacham side, that's the left. And then on the Lachu side are the Yuaya Katum, Yuaya Parwot, Yuaya Bol Meja, Yuaya Lamo, Uyere, Paitenge, Toro, Patan, Palio, Kapa, which is also known as Paiboro, and Bobi. These are the subdivisions of the clans in Pajok. The notable Pajok people who are well known in Pajok. Honorable Benaya Benjamin Kitara, Chairperson of Revenue Authority, Eastern Equatoria Province. Honorable Angela Achiro Onorio, Women Representative in State Legislative Assembly. Honorable Tobias Xavier Lotto. And lastly, Honorable John Chan Bomian, who is the MP of Pajok Payam, Magui County, and the State Minister of Cabinet and Parliamentary Affairs, Eastern Equatoria State. Yes, if you could hear me combining state minister and cabinet, those terms, yeah, the political system of administration in South Sudan is different one. As you can see, county is called Payam in South Sudan. I think it is of Arabic. They're still kind of maintaining the Arabic origin. Those are the most notable people and their position of Pajok. I will still dig out more in case you have details of any. I'm going to put a contact button through WhatsApp link on this channel and easily reach out with only positive information. We want only positive vibe. We're not doing this thing to cause tension, violence, or whatever, but we need love and unity. Full stop. If you have any other hidden agenda, don't contact. That is it. That's the bottom line. Because there are people who have their kind of deals and business which strikes against Acholi. No. Out. Stay away from Acholi Pro Evo TV. If ill intention against Acholi. Associations. The associations available in Pajok. Pajok community members are found in all the states of South Sudan and in diaspora locations such as in North America, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and less commonly in Asia, and also some in Uganda. Wherever they are, the Pajok people have close ties with their community scattered across the world. They are organized into groups that serve the group areas of the jurisdiction of those residing in Pajok and beyond. Some of those groups are Agola Kapok Association of North America. One way Agola Kapok, Agola Kiroma. Yes. For USA and Canada, Agola Kapok of Australia Incorporation, and a near Pajok community of South Australia, whose aims include supporting members during happy and difficult times, helping youths learn how to read and write Acholi, encouraging the members to adapt to the laws, regulations, and cultures of the respective jurisdictions, promotions of the general welfare, interest, and culture of the people of Pajok women in South Australia, strengthening communication in the mission of addressing issues in Pajok women's affairs, in the needs of the women and the children, and presenting a united voice on the challenges affecting the children and the women of Acholi Pajok of South Australia. In Australia, the community meets in conferences after every 2 years to discuss the matters which are important to the people who are in Australia, the people in South Sudan, and the members in North America. It used to be every year, that's annually, but it was changed in the Sydney Conference. Sydney is the capital city of Australia. The Sydney Conference of 2011 showed Pajok change meeting to be after every 2 years, not every. Apart from discussing pertinent issues in those conferences, the members find the gathering to be an opportunity for them to meet each other, given the fact that Australia is too large and makes it difficult for people to meet each other during the course of the time. The first conference was held in 2007 in Sydney. New South Wales in 2009. In 2009-2010, it had it in Tasmania. In 2010-2011, it was done in Perth, Western Australia. In 2015-2016, it was done in Melbourne, Victoria. And in the year 2017-18, it was done in Adelaide, South Australia for its conference. Pertinent issues that were considered in that conference or to be considered were to decide where to hold the next. All these conferences were funded by Agola Kapok community and occasionally sometimes partially funded by Australia government state. Agola Kapok conference has successfully had its conference in Nashville, Tennessee in 2016. Always after the conference, there's always after party where people from all walks of life are invited to attend and also could opt in to participate. Activities that take place in the after conference party are Acholi traditional dances and contemporary music, African and Western music extravaganza, free drinks and food, catching up with mates, speeches from community and church leaders, games, and fun. Thanks. Now you know. Go like a pork. Okay, thank you. If I made sense to you, you can subscribe as you wait to find more Acholi political demarcation and other valuable contents on Acholi Pro. Thanks. I see you.